Finally, the thing we have been waiting for a long time has arrived. With Google opening its first office in Pakistan, Google has announced the Google AI Plus plan completely free for 12 months, which means an entire year, for Pakistan, India, and 140 different countries. What are the benefits of this plan? Which Google features will you get with this plan? So first, let's take a look at what features we get with this plan. For content creators, the biggest benefit of this plan is that you can use it to access models like Gemini, Omni, and Google Veo 3 through Flow AI and create AI videos. You will also receive Flow credits every month completely free as part of this plan. The second benefit is that you get 400 gigabytes of Google Drive cloud storage, where you can upload your images, videos, and other data. You can access and use this storage for the full 12 months. The third benefit is available in the Gemini app, where your daily usage limit is increased by up to 2x. There are also many other benefits included in this plan. I will add the link in the description so you can read the full article yourself. Now, let's move to the phone screen and learn how to activate this subscription and access it completely free. First, open your Chrome browser and search for Google One. You will see the Google One website as the first result. Open it, and here you will see all the available plans, including AI Plus, Pro, and Ultra. We are getting the AI Plus plan for free, so simply click Get Plus. On the next page, you will again see all the plans and their prices. For example, the AI Plus plan normally costs around 1,400 Pakistani rupees per month in Pakistan. The AI Pro plan costs around 5,600 Pakistani rupees, while the Ultra plan is much more expensive. If we switch to the annual option, you can see that AI Plus costs around 14,000 Pakistani rupees per year, and we are going to access this same plan completely free. For now, I'll switch it back to the monthly option. Scroll down a little, and at the bottom, you will see an option called Students. Get more with Google AI next to it. You will see the See Student Offer button. Simply click on it, and the University Student Exclusive Offer page will open. Here, you can see AI Plus at no cost for 12 months. That means you can get Google AI Plus completely free for the entire 12 months. Now click the Get Student Offer button. Next, you need to verify your student status, so click Continue. Fill this form here, select Pakistan as your country, then select your educational institution. Here, you can choose your university or college. Below that, enter your first name and last name. Then enter your date of birth, and the email address where you want to receive the verification email. You will receive the verification email at this address and use it to complete the verification process. So simply click Verify My Student Status. Here you can see, congratulations, our student status has been successfully verified. Now click Continue. On the next page, you will see the Get Student Offer for free. Click the Get Student Offer button. Google One will then activate the service. Accept the terms and conditions. Now we need to add a payment method. Here you can add your debit or credit card. After adding the payment method, we will later remove it successfully, while the subscription will remain active. If you have a virtual card from NayaPay, SatoPay, or any other supported service, you can use that as well. After entering all the details, click Save Card. Now all the details are ready. Our subscription is starting today and is completely free for 12 months. The first payment of around PKR 1,400 will be charged starting on August 23, 2027. Now simply click Subscribe. After a short processing period, our subscription has been successfully activated. This is how you can unlock Google's 12-month AI Plus plan for free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget like, share, and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more helpful tech content. Thank you for watching.